We are Dehydration Station.
Our innovation is to purchase expiring fruits, vegetables, and meats from farms and supermarkets to dry them and preserve them.
Dried fruits, vegetables, and meats have a shelf life of 1 to 2 years, which allows distribution and consumption to be much more convenient.
Our group is going to take food preservation methods into consideration and make dried fruits, vegetables, and meats more prevalent.
We're going to team up with supermarkets and farms and receive their expiring foods and dry them and then distribute them to those in need.
We also plan to team up with an organization that helps distribute food through areas of the world and will help us distribute our dried fruits, vegetables, and meats.
What we are doing is simple. We are using ovens to dry the food, but dehydrators can also be used.
We decided to dry bananas. In all cases of drying, though, the temperature of your oven needs to be low and should be around 140 degrees. The cooking time varies between foods, but the bananas required an 8-hour cooking time. At the end of the 8 hours, we now have dried banana chips from a banana that was about to go bad.
Our innovation is fairly common, but many people look past it. You can dry foods on your own.
To dry fruits, vegetables, and meats, place them in your oven at a temperature between 130 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit for over 6 hours. Time depends on what you're drying.
Another common way to dry fruits, vegetables, and meats is by placing them in a dehydrator, which removes moisture and keeps them longer.
For those who don't own an oven or a dehydrator, sun drying your foods is an alternative.
These methods are ones you can implement in your own home, so stop throwing away your expired food and start drying them.
The average American family throws out about 25% of their food at the end of each month. So by saving this food and drying it, in the long run, you're saving money.
These dried foods are also very delicious.
Now that you know the benefits of dried foods, you should try it on your own and support our cause.